What's good, YouTube? This your boy, Ghostfighter 2T's, and I'm back with another informative video. I'm gonna bring y'all this heat. I'm on my grind. I hope y'all on y'all grind, whatever it is. We gotta go hard this year. We're going hard. We're going in the paint. I'm focused this year. I'm focused in this year. I've been on my grind, y'all. I'm out here. What I would like to say to you guys is make sure you drop a like, drop a sub, please. Yeah. Do me that favor. So, before we get into what these two things are, which are must-have, and how to get them on a budget, okay? These are must-do things you should have in your life and how to get them on a budget, okay? Put those aside for now. I just want to talk to you for a few moments. Now, what I want to tell you is I just got finished even telling a person this. If it's something that you want, you're going to have to work hard for it. You're going to probably have to lose sleep. You're going to have to lose money. You're going to have to lose maybe even friends. You might even have to lose listen, I'm just telling you this because this is something that I want to tell you from the bottom of my heart because I care, okay? How much you care about yourself even matters, okay? So with that being said, how bad do you want what it is that you're grinding for? And I'm specifically talking about you guys. If you got a YouTube and you trying to grind it, you only going to get out of it what you plant. So if you plant one little seed, and it's not a mustard seed, which grows the biggest plant, and you plant just a little tiny seed of one little apple tree, you got to give it time to develop. You got to give, that's just like, it's videos that I have on my channel I went back and looked at now. Wow. I went back and looked at them now. They're 500, 1,000, 2,000 views only 2 and 3 months later. You got to give your channel, your videos, whatever it is that you're doing on your videos and your channel, you got to give it time to season. If that makes any sense to you. You got to give, if you put some chicken in the oven, you can't go get the chicken out of the oven in 5 minutes. It's going to be still raw and you're going to get salmonella, you're going to die or whatever. You feel me? You're going to get really sick and be in the hospital. But you got to know how to bake that chicken and you got to wait for that chicken to bake up, okay? 30 minutes to an hour. Once the chicken's baked and good, you know that you got to go get it out of the oven because it's done. That's the same way with doing your videos. When you do these videos, you can't expect to see 150,000 views on it in one day unless it's something that actually absolutely nobody else in the world has, and that might blow, and that might be one video out of that everybody will get the chance to know you and your channel blow up. But other than that, normal videos, whatever you do on your channel, those videos need time to season. So I'm here to encourage you to just put in the grind if you really want it. So the first thing you have to do is you have to ask yourself, do you really want it? And if you've made your mind that you really want it, get on your grind and go for it. So that means you're going to have to maybe lose sleep, lose friends, lose time of day. It's things that you're going to have to do to put that sweat, hard-earned tears in. And I know, I remember when I only had 22 subscribers. You hear me? I hope that this video really helps y'all. I think the biggest thing on YouTube is people really don't want to show their emotion. They really don't want to show what their real heart is. They really don't want to put no time and effort. Everybody wants everything handed to them. Life's not handed to you. Now, I'm not saying that you can't be blessed and people can't bless you and you can't bless others. But I'm telling you, if you really want it, you're going to have to put some work in on it. You're going to have to put some work. Yeah, you're going to have to put some work in. Ghost is telling y'all this from the bottom of my heart. I hope that y'all listen. Maybe somebody out there needed to hear this. Push yourself to greatness. If you don't want it, it's always going to be another person who want it more than you. It's always going to be a person that want it more than you. So how bad do you want it? How bad do you want to see your channel get better? How bad do you really want that clout, if that's what it is that you're chasing? I'm not chasing clout. I just want to be me. I want to show y'all my point of view. That's the whole point of having your own channel. It's because you want to show your point of view. You want people to like you for you and what your channel brings. It's people that don't even want to show their face on YouTube. It's people that have 100, 300, 400,000 subscribers and nobody's ever seen their face. And they got to live and sleep with that at night. I hope this is motivation for you guys, a wake-up call. Shout out to Yah Gaming. I don't know if y'all know him. He's big in the 2K community. Yah Gaming, man, he really inspired me on a video that he did, which is all about basketball. But at the end, he says, yo, I remember when I had no subscribers, and I was the only one that was putting in work on my channel. No one else was watching. He said he remembers that time when he used to lay in bed with his wife, and he used to look up at his phone and see that he only had 1 or 2 views. But he was still putting that work in. Work is what you gotta do. You gotta get on your grind. So, without further ado, I hope that inspired you to wanna put work into yourself. What you put into yourself, you're gonna get out of it. Put that work in. If you wanna grind, get on that grind. That's the realest you're gonna get it on YouTube, man. Don't let these big YouTubers fake you into something that is a hope and a dream. You gotta make reality your dream. You gotta do something to make reality your dream. You're gonna have to get on your grind. I'm on mine. Just watch me. Just watch my channel. I'm gonna show you better than I can say it. I think you feel me. I think you know. Let's get on into this unboxing, man. All right, so you guys make sure you hit me with a like and a sub. And what I'll be showing you today, these are 2 things that if you're a family, if you oriented with family, you're a gamer, you do long hours of being on your phone, you're in the vehicle a lot, these are 2 things that you can't live without. Once you know about these, you can go acquire these yourself. So, I think you can see it on the screen. Here's the first thing. It's a mount. This mount is, you see that? It's a mount for you to put your phone on the back of the seat. That's pretty awesome, right? That's tough. So now my kids are gonna have the opportunity to use this when they're in the back seat. Not that I let them be on the phone all the time, but you get my point. Like, yeah. So I'll show you the back of it. Okay. See the back of it? So you just take the top of the seat out and put this down around the seat. And it even has a carbon, we're gonna open this, but it even has a carbon fiber type of wrap finish to it. They put a little bit of effort to making this. This is somebody that thought of this idea and they decided to put it in production and put a patent on it. If your thing is doing patents, then get on your grind and do patents, man. But it's basically called car headrest mount. Okay. All right, so let's get into it. Let's open this, and you're gonna like the next one I bring. Now, what I'm gonna tell you why I'm doing this, because there's a lot of people who try to come to my channel and say, oh, you didn't give all the information, all that. I'm gonna tell you, I got this mount from a place called Five and Below. So this is getting things that you need that you can't live without while on a budget. So I'm gonna just tell you plain and simple, if you ain't got $5, then you probably shouldn't be shopping at all. But if you can spare $5, you know, it comes with a little pamphlet that kind of shows you just how to take it and put it together. I already know, so I'm pretty sure you just clamp it down around the seat. Oh, so you don't even have to take the rest off. See, it has this mechanism in there, this rubber, okay? And you see it has that carbon fiber-y looking finish, really sweet. And then I really don't know how to use this, but okay, I'm getting it. Hold on. Give me a second. Okay. That's where you put the phone at, obviously. So you put the phone in, you can put it on the tilt, and it has these clickers because you can set it where you want it, the angle you want it at, if it's a short or tall person. So that's what you get. I won't make this video any longer than it needs to be, but you see, you push it onto the seat and you can move it wherever you want in the car so everyone can see it. My kids sit beside each other, so they just move it off to the side and they can just whoop, stick the phone up there. That's simple, y'all. There you go. At 5 and below for $5. Actually, it's $5 and some change because nothing's 5 and below no more. So I don't know why the name is still 5 and below. But okay, so there's that unboxing. I can put that in the car for them to do. And then here, I've been looking online for extended cords. This is a Type-C cord because I know a lot of you guys probably still rocking the Android. So my wife included. She need to get an iPhone, but whatever. It's a C-type cord. So this is a 10-foot cord. And they even let you get the feel, what the cord feels like. It's very durable. It's pretty self-explanatory. Heavy duty, sync files, rapid charging. So this is an actual rapid charging one. Not all cords rapid charge, guys. So that's a big thing. Some cords don't rapid charge. So it's heavy duty, extra thick, 4mm housing. And it's Type-C USB, and that's it. We're gonna open it up and kind of see what it looks like. Cause I'll be using this for my new PS5, excuse me. I'll be using this for my PS5 for my headset, which is Type-C. So the new A20, wireless A20s, they sound amazing, by the way, guys. I've been playing with them and calibrating them to my PlayStation 4, and they sound amazing, man. I'm so happy with those headsets. I didn't think I was gonna be, but I am. I'm very excited. I actually was calibrating with a friend who actually has the same pair too. And we was in a party chat trying to figure it all out. So it's out of the box. It even has a little tag that says, what does it say, Bitech on it. Okay. And yeah. So basically this is a 10-foot cord. If you were, and this is under $5 at 5 and below, make sure you guys know. I'll put a link to that in the bottom of the in the description or down in the comment section. But it's definitely more than enough. You can see it has these awesome tips on the end of it. Boom, right under my eye. See that? Got these sweet tips on the end of it. USB on the other side. Nice. Yep. And it's 10-foot of cord, as you can see. And yeah, man. So you can be on your bed or in your gaming chair, whatever, and you got plenty of cord to plug your headset in, because you know sometimes your headset died at the wrong time and you're gonna need a long cord to get to it when you're sitting up playing. So there's the unboxing of those two things that you just, if you're a family guy, if you're single, if you got friends and stuff that go along with you, those are two things that you just can't do without. And I showed you a budget way to be able to own both of those things. I think that concludes this video. I'm glad that I can make this video to share with you guys. It's a little lengthy, but I just wanted to share that with you. I just had words of encouragement to start the video. I know that all my videos won't be like this, but normally my unboxings are pretty simple and to the point. This one was a little bit different. I'm okay with being different. I'm okay with being a little weird, because everybody got a weird and a different way about them. It's things that everybody likes to do different from others. So with that being said, I love you guys. I'm glad and I thank God that you guys support me, and I support you guys back. Make sure you leave me a comment and let me know what you guys liked about this video, what you took from it, how it makes you feel. Hopefully it makes you feel awesome and push you on your grind to do what you need to do in life. This your boy Ghostsider 2T's. I love you guys. God bless you. Sub, like, and comment, and I'm out.